Hi guys, Charlie here today with Mode Distributing, here to talk to you guys about Alfresco. One of the key features I do want to share with you guys is our chain-driven rotisserie. This does a few things for you guys. I know it sounds cool, chain-driven, very heavy duty, but what it does is it ensures that when you have your protein centered there, it's not necessarily easy to balance. And what happens with most chain or external driven rotisserie, you will have a flow of it being slower, a little bit faster in certain areas, and that'll translate into uneven cooking. Where our chain-driven rotisserie being 55 pound-feet of torque ensures that it's a smooth rotation all the way through, therefore becoming an even cook throughout the process. If you'd like to experience the Alfresco Fire and Ice combo, please come visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Studio City, Calabasas, Santa Clarita, Torrance, and Costa Mesa.